Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a KDP coloring book niches to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. Today we are finding good profitable coloring book niches that is highly profitable and with a little bit of effort. So you can create good quality cover and great manuscript, then you will earn a lot of money from this type of niche. So guys, if you are watching to my channel in the first time, then please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. And if you are watching me for the very first time, but if you are supporting me for a very long time, because some of the people here who are listening to me, who are just watching me, they know me all things about Amazon KDP from this channel. So now we are going to Amazon Marketplace and find out our profitable coloring book niches. So our first niche is tattoo coloring book for kids, for adult 2012. Here the results show only 96 results tattoo coloring books. So tattoo coloring books. So here we also show the review 7185 results showing tattoo coloring book for adult. 7,185. So we can calculate his seller monthly revenue 185 book. Wow, these books per day sales 33 and per month sales 491. So obviously we earning from this type of niche. So we want to try to upload a lot of coloring book from tattoo coloring book for adult, this type of niche. So our second niche is NFL coloring book. So here result shows 301. So here 139 review. Here we also shows 170 review. Here also shows 401 review. So this is very professional and profitable, highly profitable niche and low competitive niche. So we can try upload NFL coloring book on Amazon KDP and earn money every month. And our third niche is Liverpool coloring book 2022. Here results only shown 79. Wow, this is very profitable and highly profitable and low competition niche. So we trying upload this type of book on Amazon KDP. And our fourth niche is NBA coloring book. NBA coloring book 2020. Coloring book 2020. And here we can choose 152 results only. So this is another profitable coloring book. So our fifth niche is coloring book planner 2020 to 2023. Here result shows only 973 result shows. So this is very profitable niche, that is coloring book planner 2022 from 2023. And our sixth niche is new 2022 creative heaven coloring books. Here the results only shows 112. So this is another highly profitable niche. This is another highly profitable niche. Creative Heaven Cheerful Inspiration Coloring Book. Here results here review only shows 360. So this is very profitable niche for Amazon seller. And our seventh niche is new adult coloring books 2020 to one site. Here results only shows 182 results for new adult coloring books 2022 one side. This is another very profitable, highly profitable and low competition niche. So we can try to upload from these 7 type of coloring book niches and earn every month a lot of revenue from Amazon KDP. So if you get into the right niche and use the right keyword and earn money from Amazon KDP, then please like, comment and subscribe my channel. So if you have liked this video, I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so I can actually share with my more niches and more ideas and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then. So thank you so much everyone.